Everybody is able to hear my voice. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pragati, read.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Uh, Normal payment clear existing customer
No,
receivables,
wait, wait,
so
wait,
they are
wait,
posted.
wait, wait, Pragati. Read the question first again.
Okay. Why does normal payment go to the account receivable reconciliation account while the advance payment go to the special GL account? Answer: normal payment clear existing customer receivables, so they are posted against the reconciliation account. Advance payment are received before an invoice exists, therefore do not represent a receivable. SAP post them using a special GL indicator A to separate down the GL account so that the trade receivables and the customer advances are reported separately in the financial statements.
Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, read this line also.
This is the same reason why vendor advances are also posted through a special GL indicator instead of the normal AP reconciliation account.
Okay. Now think. Okay. Let's say, Pragati, all of us,
Hmm.
Indumati, Sanika, me, everybody owes you 10,000 rupees. Okay. Or let's say there's a
Yes.
customer invoice and we have to pay you. You have to receive those 10,000 rupees from us. Yes.
Hmm.
So basically, you have given us something and we have to pay you for that. Very simple. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If we are the customers, we have to pay you. So it will go into the normal reconciliation account. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But my mom, let's say my mom sees that, you know, you are whatever your business is, it's very good. She wants to make you a payment of 1 lakh rupees, which is an advance. Yes. Last time she did not receive the goods from you for some reason. Okay. And now she says, I want to book everything in advance and I want everything from Pragati. She says, I will pay 1 lakh to Pragati in advance. That will go in another GL account so that we can track it because it does not yet say that it is an accounts receivable. Accounts receivable is only when the invoice is ready. Yes? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now understood the concept, everyone?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Alekya, Pragati, Indumati, Ashutosh, Kartiki, Sanika. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very okay. I think it's enough. I think it's enough for today. We will continue on Monday now. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. And I will see you
Sir,
guys.
tomorrow there is no class.
No class. Please practice. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Please practice. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Because I want more time. I want more break for you guys. So that you can practice more. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice weekend,
Thank you,
and I
sir.
will see you on Monday. Okay?
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
sure,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Take care.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Take care, sir.
If any
Bye.
questions, please ping in the group. All right.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.